Okay guys, listen up. I'm eating my favorite pudding. But anyway, now you can ditch Facebook. We've created our own. Congratulations, Go founder. Go Slovakia and Czech Republic. Way to go. We're exploding in Slovakia and Czech Republic. Warm welcome to the founders over there. Massive growth in Nigeria. Go Nigeria. Thank you for your great work. The Aussies are in too. Welcome founders. Go Australia. You're in it to win it. Thank you. And welcome founders in Egypt, land of the real pyramids. No pun intended. Vertigo to victory with virtue being the key in Egypt. Go Egypt, go. Thank you for doing all the hard work. And here you go, Alemania. Germany on board. Welcome founders in Germany, flying high with no limits to the sky. Greetings founders, go Kenya. Kenya on board. Another bucket of dreams turned into reality. Go Kenya, go. Beautiful South Africa on board. Welcome founders. Thank you for believing in us. Go South Africa. And go Spain, go. Vamos España. Felicidades. You made us lead. Go Spain. Spain on board. Thank you. Welcome. Great Britannia rules the world. Go UK. Go United Kingdom. Congratulations. Your action certainly spoke for your passion. Welcome on board UK, the United Kingdom. Gratulalung, Hungary. Hungary on board. Go Hungary. You all are greeting history together. Hungary on board. Welcome. Congratulations, Hungary. Jamaica Funk, that's what it is. Yeah, man. Congratulations, founders. This is how we keep winning. Go Jamaica. Binabati Kita, your commitment or... Oh no, your commitment, our achievement. Go Philippines. Thank you for coming on board. Greetings, founders, United States. Congratulations. We appreciate your great work. Go America. Go United States. Thank you for being on board. Land of milk and honey. Go Austria. Welcome. Herzliche Glückwünsche. Time to reach the stars now. Servus. Salut Canada. Welcome Canada. You're setting records. See you at the top. En natuurlijk ook gefeliciteerd Nederlandse founders. Dank jullie wel voor de mogelijkheden. En gefeliciteerd aan boord te zijn hier op Gofounders. Go Netherlands. Keep dreaming and keep achieving. Gaan met die banaan. Tout à bon Portugal. Parabien. Am I saying that right? Parabien. Parabén. Parabén. Fundadores. I hope I do this right. Go Portugal. Lives around you are changing, definitely. Thank you, Portugal, for coming on board. Ooh, beautiful Seychelles Islands. Congratulations, founders. There in the beautiful sunshine. Bravo. Triumph is the new treat. Go Seychelles. I'll definitely see you on the beaches of the world. Land of my ancestors, Switzerland. Going good, founders. Wow, alpha to achievement. Go Switzerland, go. Welcome on board. And definitely let's begin the journey to the sky. Founders in India. Namaste. And welcome Norway. Namaste and welcome Norway. This rhymes. Congratulations. Gratuleres. We achieved because of our will. Strong-willed Norwegians on board. Go Haiti, go. Tous nos félicitations. Your success is an outcome of your patience. Thank you for your patience, Haiti. Friends in New Zealand, congratulations. Your achievement is the result of your optimism. Welcome on board New Zealand. Always smiling people of Thailand, welcome. Your achievement, your aim with grace. Whoa, that's beautiful. Your achievement is your aim with grace. Nice. And what's happening? Ghana, welcome. Ghana on board. Congratulations. Very nice meeting you. Gratis. Go Sweden. Welcome Sweden. Your passion brought your possession. Go Sweden. Sweden is on board. Because you didn't or you decided not to give up. Welcome Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe's on board. Thanks for not giving up. Never give up, by the way. Felicidades. Go Mexico. Your achievement is answer to all your struggles. Your achievement is an answer to all your struggles. Welcome Mexico. Party won't be completed without Singapore. Singapore, congratulations, you added wings to our dreams. Welcome Singapore. Land where the sun never sets. Sushi Mecca, success seems to be your epithet. Epithet. Oh my gosh, I hope they won't kill me. Go Japan, Japan on board. Land of sushi, success seems to be your epithet. Am I saying that right? I think so. Welcome, Japan. Go Ireland. Lots of friends there. Thank you so much. What is this word? Commodities. Now, this is Irish, guys. Read it. Help me. But anyway, welcome. Welcome. Your success is enormous. Thank you, Ireland, for coming on board. Bonjour, bonsoir, France. Tous nos félicitations. You dreamed it, you did it. Welcome France. Welcome on board of Gofounders. I've lived 18 years in and on this wonderful island. Go Bermuda. It's so moving to see you on board. I will see you again. I'll bring my beautiful children back home. Thank you Bermuda for being on board. I'll see you on the pink beaches. Your small efforts purely and definitely made a big difference. Thank you Bermuda. Welcome on board. I'll see you soon. Wonderful. Vai Brazil. Brazil, welcome on board. Parabéns. I think, not parabéns. Parabéns. It takes more than just effort to reach where you are. Ordem e progresso. Here you go. Brazil on board. Brazil on board of Gofounders. This is huge. I truly believe Romania once was the biggest country in Europe. Unbelievable, beautiful Romania on board. Congratulations, your excellence reflects in your action. Thank you Romania for coming on board and live the dream with us. Bahamas on board. Wonderful islands of the Bahamas. The patience that you put in brought the best you deserved. Welcome Bahamas. Also, in this case, congratulations founders. You did it. We'll definitely see you on your beautiful beaches of the world. And also Barbados, welcome. Congratulations. Your alliance is our accomplishment. Welcome Barbados. Welcome on board. Congratulazione Italia. This is beautiful. You are the soul for success. Thank you Italy for coming on board. Welcome. Cameroon is here to stay. Congratulations Cameroon. Go Cameroon. You believed in creating your own reality and so you did. So you believed in creating your own reality and so you did. Welcome Cameroon. Wonderful friendly neighbors of the Netherlands, my home country. Belgium, welcome on board. Tous nos félicitations. Your courage has a lot to do with your success. Welcome Belgium. So here you go, we've reached the 17,000 mark, 17,000 plus Gofounders worldwide. This is amazing. I literally have never seen anything like it. Totally mind-blowing. So when you want to know more about it, and when you want to know more about all done for you passive income, click links underneath this video. Leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number somewhere on this page where you can do so. We won't spam you. And then get back to the person that invited you to this congratulations and welcome video. And be welcome to yourself. He or she has a huge surprise for you. Really a huge surprise for you. Thank you Ash. Thank you team. Thank you everyone around the world. Let's make this a huge success. And then I'll see you on our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, Zoom sessions, Skype sessions, etc., etc. But definitely on the most beautiful beaches around the world. Thank you so much, Gofounders. Thank you so much on passion. Like, subscribe, and click this little word spelled share underneath. Sharing is caring, in order to see pop-up little icons coming in your screen, you can click on that, and then you're able to send this message on your own social media so that we get bigger and bigger and really literally help people fulfill their own dreams and aspirations. Thanks again.